On a sparkling green meadow, far beyond the hills, there is a little rabbit named Marshmallow. He's as soft as a marshmallow, as white as a snowflake, and he's interested in everything around him. One sunny morning, when marshmallows jump on their favorite flowers, crunch! Something crunches strangely under his paw. A plastic bottle in his beautiful, clean forest? He's looking around. The river is full of garbage. Plastic bags float like ghosts. Fish are trapped, and flowers are drooping. "This is wrong," says Marshmallow. He may be small, but he's ready for a big adventure. First, he meets Sparky the squirrel, who has never thought about where the wrappers from his snacks go. But today, he'll find out today. And then there's Dottie the duck, who shows how even one bottle can harm the water they all drink from. And in the ocean, cute sea turtle Lulu, stuck in a plastic net. Marshmallow doesn't hesitate. He saves her. Together, they clean the forest, rivers, and the sea. They plant trees, paint signs, and build a garbage museum to remind everyone protecting nature starts with you. Because even the tiniest rabbit, it can do a lot for our beautiful planet.